Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, and we are back with another brand new unboxing video. Today, we got a couple sneakers and then some Supreme from the last week. A lot of these packages either arrived early or right on time than what they were scheduled to be, so I'm very happy I did get that. We got two sneakers. I did get one for retail, one for resale. I just copped one of these just because I don't have any of its kind in my collection, so we can take a look at that real quick with you guys. Just basically put all this stuff up there for the thumbnail, so I'll put it down here. So I do want to start out with this package because you'll see it'll help out with the rest of the packages. So what did we get here? Oh shit, no way. They're still sending out these special BOGOs. I got one with this small order one, and then the regular box logo. Of course, you don't care about those, but then of course we had to cop one of these because we do unbox quite a bit of packages here on the channel. The manual carton cutter. So let's go ahead and unds this real quick. I'm not planning on selling this, so I'm just gonna rip it wide open. I think this is like a ceramic blade actually, so it's actually not won't cut your fingers or anything. You can just go right over it with your finger like that. So that's basically it, the blade. I think you could open it somehow. It comes with like directions or something right here. I'll go ahead and read that a little later once I have some more time. Go ahead and I guess we're gonna go ahead and I'll open up one of the soft packages and then I'll skip this one and then move on to this other smaller box. Just a little change it up, you know? So for this one, obviously don't need the carton cutter. This one, we managed to hit two of these with Swiftsole. Shout out to you guys once again. Love you guys so much. Swiftsole is one of the best iOS bots definitely right now on the market. If you guys want to go check them out, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm pretty sure they're still in stock, so if you guys want to get your hands on that before they go out of stock again, I would definitely suggest doing that because they are definitely one of the best iOS bots on the market. Like I said, they cook regularly on weekly. I swear to God, they have thousands and thousands of checkouts. It's crazy. Here we have our first St. Michael's fleece jacket. I cooked this up with Swiftsole. This kind of came like really poorly bagged up in here, but anyways, and it has like a rip on the bag right here, but whatever. This is the size black, obviously. And I did sizing random and color random on Swiftsole, so it managed to cook up black small here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So we got a W on that. Moving on, I will go ahead and open up this small box here from Supreme. Go ahead and use the manual carton cutter. Oh, damn, that cut's actually pretty nice through the box. All right, let's see what we got in this package here. Alright, so the first item is going to be the Supreme Kangol Bermuda Space Camp. I did get this in the tan and then in the extra large size. Bigger sizes always tend to do well from the hats if they're sizing hats. This bag is actually pretty different. That's not like the usual Supreme bags that they use for hats. It kind of looks like it's actually from the Kangol brand because it actually has like the Kangol tags and stuff on the inside there. But yeah, we got a dub on that hat. And then another nice, pretty good dub I did get. Well, of course, the two box logos in that package. We managed to cop a Cause box logo hat. Here we go. Actually, the actual name is Cause Chalk Logo 5 panel. I did get this in the black. These sell out pretty fast, and they are selling pretty well in the aftermarket, so I'm definitely gonna be holding on to this and then eventually sell it because they always tend to go up in price down the line. And I did get those in a multi-cart, obviously, manually. So obviously you guys know what this one is here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up next. Come on, give us some good stickers in this pack. All right, a BOGO. Literally just one BOGO. I guess there was literally just one BOGO in the fleece one too. Oh wow, I can't believe they're still giving out this register to vote ones. And the same thing in this one. Well, here we are. And this one is going to be the colorful one. Actually, I think this one's actually white. They call it white, but it's multicolor really. And then this one is the size large. Right there. I'm gonna be holding on to these definitely for until next winter at least. See how much they can climb in their price. But yet again, I did manage to cop this with Swiftsole. Definitely very efficient bot. I'll save the resale one, the more expensive one for last. So here, obviously, it's in a Nike sneakers box. So it came from Nike. Man, that carton card makes it so easy to open these boxes. Alright, so here we go. Here is the Jordan 6 Carmine Black. Jordan 6 Carmines. I managed to hit this on the Nike sneakers restock. Here, I'll go ahead and get you guys the first look here. Voila. Take these out of the box here. Ooh, these are some bulky ass sneakers. All right. So we managed to get a dub on Nike sneakers, like I said, on the restock of these. Why is there a sticker on the side of this? What the heck? I did get these in size 13, my size. I always usually tend to go for my size just in case I want to keep the shoe. But here we are. Very nice OG colorway silhouette. All these OG sneakerheads are going to be going crazy for this shoe. They already pretty much got their hands on them if they really wanted them. I'm probably going to end up holding this. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping it because I already do have quite a bit of red and black sneakers. I do have the Concord 11s red lows, and then I also have these fire red 4s right here. So basically pretty similar colorway, red, black, white. These are going to be definitely staying in the personal collection. Probably going to be holding on to these to definitely resell. Put those Carmines over there real quick. And last but certainly not least, I did need to add a sneaker to my collection that I do not have yet. I do not have any of this silhouette yet. It's not a Jordan and it's not a Yeezy. So you guys see in just a sec. Packed it nice. Put this bubble wrap. Box is a little bit damaged. That's because it did come from a reseller. So here we got the Nike Dunk High Retro, and then this one's gonna be the white and vast gray colorway Dunk Highs. Size 13, of course, that's my size. I'm actually curious to see what the leather quality on these. I'll take out one and show you guys. Boom, here we are. This one's gonna be adding to this to the personal collection. Leather quality, not bad. It's pretty smooth, pretty buttery smooth, but it doesn't really like ripple to the touch really, but it's still pretty smooth. I probably have to break it in, wear it a little bit. This was a dunk that I really wanted to get when I was going for them, like on the day with like a whole bunch of dunks dropped, and I managed to get this for, I think it was like under $200, just under $200 I managed to get this for, so not bad. These are probably still gonna go up in price down the line, so yeah, happy I got these. I'm not gonna be going on a full-on on foot with these or into an in-depth review right now, just because it's just the unboxing, you know, just show. Oh wait, do we have extra laces in this? No, I don't think these come with extra laces. All right, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Definitely smash that like button down below if you enjoyed this video. That would be much appreciated. Definitely subscribe for more future content like this. That would be also much appreciated as well. Also, if you want to go check out Swiftsole for yourself, click that link down in the description below. That will take you to their website and you guys can go cop yourself a copy. It's only like 50 bucks or so for a lifetime key. You get to keep it forever, and they keep on pushing out nice updates to keep their bot updated through their test flight app. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. It's been your boy Supreme Nige. Stay hyped. Peace out, y'all. I'm out.